All right, I got the kid. We got a fun box from Georgia. Let's dig in. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and I have a huge Thredup addiction. I recently became a Thredup ambassador. I will link a video here, up above her head.
Excuse me.
Sorry. If you want to know more about becoming a Thredup ambassador, and they give you a free $50 credit every month, and I use that to buy this box. They're normally $32. I paid a big fat $0. 10 completely random items. They can be anything. Usually there's always at least one pair of socks or tights. I have very good luck selling them, but let's dig in. Here is the first looks before taking the sticker and the paper. Okay, we ran out of space on my memory card. So there were bubbles on top. We took those out. She popped one. And now let's show them.
It wasn't my fault.
Now let's show them what the inside looks like real fast before we run out of space again.
I'll let you have that one.
There we go. All right, down. You going first?
You can go first.
Okay. Oh. Okay, we have a medium tote.
Ooh.
White. 13.5 by 13.5 by 2. Create your own. Joann stores, so it's just a plain tote, and you could, you know, use fabric markers or put your own image on it with like a cricket. Socks! Always. More
With
kitty
cats on them.
socks.
Again.
Yay! I love it.
Oh.
Good. Cat socks, you dropped them. They're from Charles Albert, size 4 to 10. Neon pink with kitties. Oh, there's a Harry Potter thing in here.
I know, that's why I said you could have it.
Oh. Hey, we got one of these in the last one.
What letter is it this time?
I don't know. Okay, so we got one of these. If you watched our last Fun Box unboxing, I will link it above her head again. We got one of these necklaces from Mud Pie. It's a monogram. This one is a T. The last one we got was the D initial. So like I said in that video, I will probably just throw this in with somebody's Poshmark purchase.
Peacock socks.
Peacock socks. They're fuzzy too. Ooh. Where are they from? Looks like Old Navy or something.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
Old Schnavies. Cozy socks. Cool.
Rad.
All right.
No, what about?
Oh yeah. Sorry, there's another thing in here. We got, what is it, an ornament? No, it's like a bookmark, I think. It's Harry Potter Hufflepuff. I am a Slytherin. Liv.
I am also not a Hufflepuff.
Is a Gryffindor, but it's like a little Hufflepuff bookmark with a tassel. There we go. It's finally not blurry. That's fun.
Pajamas from Target's Christmas collection stuff.
We get Target pajamas pretty much every year. Well, sometimes we get American Eagle.
We got American Eagle.
What kind of, they have like bears on them? What size?
Small.
Cool. Won't have any problem selling that. Ooh, that's a fun one. Okay, I'll take this. It's a little headband from L. Erickson, francelux.com. It doesn't have a retail price. It's got like the little knot in it. And yep, this is where it's at.
Tights again from the same brand as last time, but in a different size.
Yep, we also got these in the last
time,
one.
though.
Yeah, you want some tights?
Maybe.
Cool.
So that's fun.
Potential keep. Okay, we got like a little pouch thing. It's got some loops on the end, which I'm assuming can be attached to like a 3-ring binder for school. It is by, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but on this little zipper pull it says Vera Bradley. So I'll have to look up the pattern. It's got 2 zipper pouches on one side and then 1 large pouch. So yeah, it's cute.
Kipling bag with the gorilla.
Yeah, you can sell the gorilla just by itself. They do sell. People like to attach them to their bags, so that's great that it came with a gorilla.
One of my friends had a purple one, and it was one of the ones that like put their hand in their mouth or whatever.
Oh, gross. Sucked its own thumb.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's a fun print. Okay, that's everything, right?
Yep.
What does the inside of that bag look like? Is it in good shape? Oh, it kind of looks like it's like a lunch bag or something. It's got like a little mesh pouch in there. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Don't forget it's in your head this time.
So exactly 10, same as we got last time. So yeah, for free, I'm not gonna complain. Definitely will make a little bit of profit on this. It's not crazy exciting. My favorite thing is probably the Kipling bag. What about yours?
The cat socks.
Cat socks. Socks are always a winner. They pretty much always sell. So yeah, let us know in the comments down below what you thought of this box, what your favorite item was. If you enjoyed our ridiculousness at any time, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. Sorry, the ridiculous theme song, ridiculousness theme song. So yeah, it really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. And if you're not already subscribed and you like reseller content, Thredup content, all of that good stuff, please consider subscribing. Right? Yeah. We would love to have you here in this weird little family, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.